Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel lollipops at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. You'll also need a candy thermometer, lollipop sticks, and parchment paper. Make sure your work surface is prepared and all your tools are clean and ready for the hot caramel mixture. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe cooking process. Now let's cook the caramel. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat without stirring until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius on your candy thermometer. This hard crack stage is crucial for the lollipop's texture. Once it hits the temperature, immediately remove it from the heat and proceed to the next step. Working quickly is key for shaping your lollipops, as the caramel cools and hardens rapidly. Carefully pour small, round puddles of the hot caramel onto your prepared parchment paper. Immediately place a lollipop stick into each puddle, twisting it gently to ensure the stick is well coated and secure. Allow the lollipops to cool completely at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes before handling them. Once formed, allow your caramel lollipops to cool completely on the parchment paper for about 20 to 30 minutes. They should be firm and easy to remove. To keep them from getting sticky, wrap each cooled lollipop individually in cellophane or small plastic bags. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They make wonderful treats or gifts. For more great ideas and to explore new worlds, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.